Hello crew, we have an experiment for you. Josh is going to spearhead this experiment. It is called the expanding balloon or something along that line. So go ahead, Josh.
Okay, so we're going to take a balloon and we're going to have a funnel. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour vinegar into this plastic bottle.
Ian, would you like to hold on to the bottle so it doesn't go while Josh pours?
With the knife too.
Just wait.
With the knife too.
Alright. And how much vinegar are you going to put in there, Joshua?
Halfway up.
Halfway up, okay. That's about good, eh? Okay.
With the knife.
Now what?
Okay, so we're going to pour this.
Maybe Gloria can hold the funnel while you pour the powder in.
Can you hold that? Yeah. And then we're going to pour the baking soda into the balloon.
Okay. Oh. Is it going in? Okay. Perfect. Okay. We'll take this off.
Take that off.
And now what do you do?
Carefully put the balloon over.
Easier said than done, eh? Okay.
The cap.
What'd you do? Okay, there we go. Then what do you do?
And then you're going to tip the balloon carefully. And
Oh, look at that.
the balloon will...
Oh, I can spin it around.
Is it pop? Does it
I
pop?
don't know.
Josh, does it pop?
Woo!
Not supposed to.
Oh, that's so cool, isn't it, guys? Oh, look at it, it's going back up.
And it's going to go down and up. And that's going to get very cold.
Wow.
Get that up.
Okay. That's pretty cool, eh? If you put it back in, it goes back up again, or? Yeah. There you have it, folks.
It's all done?
Yep.
How's it all done?